In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Firebase project and configure a Flutter app with the Firebase CLI. By the end, you'll have a clean Firebase project ready to go, and your Flutter app connected using the official tooling, so everything stays reliable and easy to maintain. We'll begin in the Firebase console. Click Add Project, then choose a clear, descriptive project name that matches your app or organization. The underlying project ID must be unique and can't be changed later. So take a moment to pick something you're comfortable keeping. Click Continue. And when you're prompted about Google Analytics, turn it on. Many Firebase features depend on analytics to unlock dashboards, audiences, and deeper insights, so enabling it now prevents headaches later. Follow the prompts to select an existing analytics account or create a new one, review the data sharing terms, and proceed. Finally, click Create Project and give Firebase a moment to provision everything. When it's done, you'll land on the project overview, which confirms you're ready for the next part. Now let's connect your Flutter app using the Firebase CLI and the Flutter tooling. Open your Flutter project in your IDE or terminal at the project's root. Make sure you're signed in to Firebase from the command line. If you haven't yet, run the login command so the CLI can access your newly created project. Next, install the Flutter CLI if it's not already available by activating it via Dart's Global Package Manager. With that in place, run the configuration command from your project root. You'll be prompted to choose the Firebase project you just created. Select it, then pick the platforms you're targeting, such as Android, iOS, or web. The tool may ask for app identifiers like your Android application ID or iOS bundle identifier. Use the same IDs you've set in your Flutter app configuration to keep everything consistent. The CLI will generate and link the necessary configuration files for each platform and create a Dart file with your Firebase options. This file lets your code reference the correct project settings without exposing sensitive values. It also updates platform-specific build files so Firebase can initialize correctly at runtime. When it finishes, fetch dependencies to ensure everything compiles cleanly, and consider committing the generated files to version control so teammates get the same configuration. Avoid sharing any private credentials outside your repository. That's it. You've created a Firebase project, enabled analytics, and connected your Flutter app using the Firebase CLI. You're ready to start adding Firebase services with confidence.